What's up, everybody? Marketing as a service inside of Maxcenter is one of the newest and coolest tools offered by Remax. Let's get right into it. So, if you look on your dashboard, you'll see this tab, MaaS Marketing as a Service. You'll click on it. You'll come to this page. What you want to do is click on Order along the left-hand side here, and then you'll get prompted with these three options: a property, an agent, and office. Let's first look at property. So basically, you want to promote your listing or promote a property. You'll click on the property tab and then you'll look for a listing. Hopefully, it's one of your own. You'll find that listing and then you're going to pick which label or ad type you want to do. Let's click on just listed. Click on continue. And you're going to get a lot of great features here. So just to kind of simplify things very quickly. So the first box on the top right hand side is what's included for you for free. So you'll get this social post. It's a graphic 9 by 16, good for posts. And you can also select and do AI generated videos. I'll make another video on that later, but for now, I just wanted to show you the lay of the land here. So this is what you get for free. For 49 bucks Canadian, you're going to get a post for social media that's going to go on Facebook and Instagram. It's going to work on a 15-mile radius around the address of your listing, and that's going to be for 7 days. And this is what the ad looks like. Really, really clean, great ad. Sometimes what you want to do is adjust the landing page that it's on. Make sure it's on a landing page that is your website or your lead generating website. Um, that's the first thing. And then you could obviously go in and edit any of the wording. I, for one, will leave it. These guys know what they're doing. Don't mess around with anything that works. So that is the standard $49 one, runs for 7 days. Then you've got the plus one. This plus one now adds your listing to be promoted on Google display ads and YouTube display ads. So for 7 days, for 99 bucks, that's what you'll get. And then for the premium, the 199, you'll get everything that's mentioned above, but also Google search ads. So what are Google search ads? So if you scroll down here, you'll see that it's on a display, a social graphic, and then Google search premium. And basically it's going to create Google AdWords for you for your listing. Really, really awesome stuff. And then what you want to do is click review and order, and it's as simple as that. Hope you liked that video. Hope you guys generate some leads and do some deals with MaaS.